Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set price alerts on the Coinmarketcap. Now, what exactly is a Coinmarketcap about? Coinmarketcap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is pretty simple, which is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality, and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. Okay, so now that we know what the CoinMarketCap is about, let's hop into how to create an account on CoinMarketCap. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type coinmarketcap.com. That's going to take you to the official website. Once again, to the website, check the top right corner of your screen and find the sign up button. Click on that to create a new account, or you can use the login button to log in using an existing account. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in CoinMarketCap. Now that we're here, let's hop into this step, which is how to set price alerts in CoinMarketCap. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple features and a couple icons. You'll find the English, you find the currency, you find the theme, you find get listed, you have API, you have the diamond, and you have the notification bell. Go ahead and click on the notification bell, and that's going to take you to this window. Now, in this window, head over to the settings icon. Now, click on the settings icon and it takes you to the notification settings proper. Now you have global, that's Bitcoin and Ethereum movement. So let's start with this. We want to set price alerts, right? So the first one says you'll be notified of important price milestones for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'd like you to toggle this on if it's toggled off. So this is how to toggle it on. If it's off, this is how it's going to be. Okay, if it's off, this is how it's going to be. If it's on, this is how it's going to be. It's going to be blue. So toggle the first one on. All right, and then the second one is watch list. So you'll be notified of significant increase and decrease of coins in your watch list. So if you want to get particular information about your coins, go ahead and add it to your watch list and then come over here and click on this to toggle it on. Next, it's updates and promotions. So go ahead and toggle this on. And the next is the DAX per trade alert. Toggle this on. Now, once you toggle these four options on, you will see that you're going to get price alerts right here in your KuCoin market cap. So that is pretty much the process. Remember, don't forget to add to watch list. And how can you add to watch? You can go ahead and click on this watch list option at the top right corner of your screen and click on new assets. And once you click on new assets, you'll now be able to select the coin that you want to add to your watch list so that you can start getting updates on it. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.